Alright, so in order to really understand what risk management is, the book tells us what impact and probability are in this formula that can actually equal the actual risk. So the formula is impact times probability equals actual risk. So in order to understand how risk management works, we need to understand the impact of a risk and the probability that that risk will happen. So once we assess the probability and the impact of those risks, then we will be able to know and be focused on the risks that are more severe. And in order to manage these risks, we need to tame them, as the book said. So that's to transfer, accept, mitigate, or eliminate them. So now that we know the risk and the actual ones that will most likely happen and the most severe ones, then either we transfer them to somebody else that we know can handle them, accept them, mitigate them, so reduce the probability or the impact, and eliminate them. And this is how we'll be able to manage all the risks that come with a project by seeing which one's most likely to happen and more severe. So with scheduling, it talks about work breakdown structure, so that it's called decomposing, and what can help you understand this is the mind map. So that is really just seeing what will go into the project. So you start off with a circle on the name of the project, then you write the deliverables around the outside, and then you take one of those and then you write more around the outside and more around the outside. That way you can see what all the little strings that you need to what you need to really focus on. And dependencies, that's when a task is involved with another task, so we need to understand that so that we know how to schedule and sequence tasks so that we don't waste our time. And work does not equal duration. The book talked about how just because a project may take you 8 hours, it doesn't actually mean that the duration would be 8 hours. It probably means it will be 2 days, at least 4 hours each day. So it wouldn't actually be just the work equals duration, because nobody would work for 8 hours straight.